Are you struggling with slow moving items stored in Amazon FBA which are moving slowly towards overage inventory surcharges? Hi, my name is Anup Patel and I'm going to talk about a special deal today which is especially designed for Amazon sellers to get rid of their overstock inventory in Amazon FBA or slow moving inventory in Amazon FBA. I am going to share my screen now and show you exactly how you can find this deal and set it for your products. An announcement before we dive into my computer screen. Please watch this video till the end and you are going to love the bonus I'm going to give you at the end of this video. This is a cheat sheet which has helped more than 50 clients of mine to grow their Amazon brands to the next level. If you follow the cheat sheet correctly, you will see the impact within the first 2 weeks. This is for sure. Okay, so let's dive into my computer screen now. Okay, so we are inside my computer screen now, and to set up outlet deals you simply need to go on menu, then select inventory and then go to FBA inventory. Once you go to FBA inventory dashboard, you need to click on this filter recommendation and then click on create outlet deal. Once you click on this filter, you will see all the ASINs visible here which are eligible for outlet deal. So you can see this is the first ASIN and you can see here create outlet deal. If you want to create the outlet deal, you simply need to click on create outlet deal and you can see the deal price. For your information, you cannot set the minimum price. Minimum price is set by Amazon, so this is the minimum price, deal price. You can go lower to this price but not more than this price. Now do your math. If your margins allow this pricing, you can simply create this deal, and once you hit on submit, this deal is going to run from 22nd March to 5th of April 2025. So this date is also fixed, you cannot change that as well. Now 2 more things I would like to tell you here. Number 1 is outlet deal is completely free, there's no charge. Number 2 is Amazon is going to reduce give you around 20% reduced deal price than your selling price in last 30 days. So this is also one thing you should note. Other than this, I would like to show you the criteria to get enrolled to get this outlet deal. By the way, you cannot control these things, so I recommend you simply go and keep checking inventory and then FBA inventory and then apply this filter. Again, I'm showing you create outlet deal and then you will see all these ASINs which are eligible. So you can keep checking weekly to see if your slow moving items are in this list. Now let me show you quickly the criteria. If you see, these are the criteria. Number 1 is these are the criteria to get eligible for outlet deal. I got this list from an Amazon specialist like Amazon Seller Support. So this is we can trust this data. Okay, now have inventory in Amazon fulfillment centers for at least 90 days. That's number 1. Number 2 is have at least 1 unit of inventory on hand, of course. Now be in new condition. Now have a product rating at least 4 stars or no reviews. Okay. Now next one is or not currently enrolled in any other deal promotions such as lightning deals. And next is have not appeared as an outlet deal in the past 60 days. Next is not restricted for sale in your store. So this is a kind of basic criteria. You can simply take a screenshot or I can put this in the link. Okay, so you have watched this video till the end, so you deserve the bonus. I'm going to give the link to the cheat sheet in the description of this video. Go and watch that cheat sheet and apply the techniques for your products. Let me give you a hint that in this cheat sheet you are going to find a way to find out the must rank keywords and you should rank keywords in a very easy way and apply these techniques and grow your sales for your Amazon products. Okay, so let's meet very soon with a new video with a new topic. Bye bye.